Let me unbox this interesting peanut butter chocolate.
Bought this chocolate from Belgium. Can you see? What do you think would be inside? Is it a peanut coated with chocolate, or is it a peanut itself? I thought it was a peanut and I bought it, but I was surprised. It says milk chocolate, peanut butter, and it's a Belgian chocolate. Now let me open this and show you. To get it intact out of the box. Let me turn it around. So this is what we see. It's actually chocolate in the shape of groundnut. Because of the temperature difference, it melted, I think. Okay, let me cut and show you. I think I need a sharper knife.
The outer portion resembles the hard shell of the groundnut. Can you see the ridges and also the design on the groundnut? Doesn't it look like a real groundnut? Okay, now let me cut that and show you.
So I have two pieces inside. Can you see? See, it resembles a peanut. Now let me cut it and see what's inside. Watch. It's filled with some chocolate. Let me taste it. There's a peanut inside. There's a nut inside. You see? Observe closely. Can you see? So it's chocolate outside. Again another layer of chocolate, and there's a nut inside. Yeah. It's really tasty. The inside portion has peanut butter. And the outside is chocolate, Belgian chocolate. Due to the temperature difference, it lost the shape. When I opened it in Belgium, it was really looking so good. It was looking like a big groundnut. But now it's lost its shape. Melted, and then I kept it in the fridge. Now I'm removing it and showing it to you. Very tasty. There's a hint of salt also in this chocolate. I think you should taste it once. It's the Dimi's milk chocolate, peanut butter, Belgian chocolate. Hope you enjoyed the shot. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.